Hello guys, no pullano lamsogo and YouTube channel ang tini nongni bagai video ko tal tubui phayuka question answer sungtini nailene nung bahai tong how are you ang kaham no tongo nung khe I am fine and you ang bo kaham no I am also fine ang thuna thangsinai I am going to sleep ako hor kaham okay good night nung tamo wansuk what do you think ang wansugo obo belai kutuk I think it is very difficult nung belai paileya you seem busy ihi ang tabuk hainosi tongo no I am free now nung bo tokeno naithokjak what is your favorite movie ang naithokjak mani toke Titanic my favorite movie is Titanic nung oro borok busuk nukha how many people have you seen here oro onek borok kubang there are too many people here nung oro sal busuk tongnai how long are you staying here nuisi bisi tongnai around 20 years nung mai muida songna rung do you know how to cook ang nijino songo sal brum brum I cook by myself every day nung bufuru thangnai when will we go ang takisa pore thangnai I will go after some time nung tini tamungui phailia why did not you come today ang kisa pailayani bagui phaimalia I was busy so I could not come nung tamo ano phajil sa why did you lie to me ang phajil saya I am not a liar khana sung koita o malainai when will we meet tomorrow khana phungo malainai see you tomorrow morning nini babu nogoda is your father at home bo nogo krui he is not at home nung kunu sanada do you want to eat something I ang okhui tongkha yes I am so hungry nung bijap porina rongno tu hamjak do you like to read book I ang bijap porina rongno hamjago yes I like reading book a lot oi ang nung bai kok kisa saida mano hi may I speak with you I sai mano yes of course ang nung bai kok sana muchungu kisa I want to talk to you a little ani kok sanani jora krui I do not have time to talk ang wansugo tini watui phainai I think it will rain today salbrum brum watui wao oro it usually rains every day here kebono tasadi ukok do not tell anyone about this ano bisas khai manu you can count on me nung tamoni bagai watuni pusak sumbui phai why are you wearing a raincoat ang wansugo tini watui phaiano hinoi I think it will rain today nung tamo porina hamjak what do you like to read ang porina hamjago bijapni kothoma I like to read ghost story nung saboni iro tong whose house do you live in here ang mama songni iro tongo I live here at my uncle's house. नों बरो थां दं? Where are you going? आं हाथायाव थांना नायो. I'm going to the market. हामबाय नरकनो आंनि भिडिअ पायासाक नायमा बागै नरक आंनि भिडिअ चाजाखे लाइक शेयर कमेन्ट खादि आं नंनि बागै तेबो भिडिअ कटाल टुनाय नरक नायना मुसुंखे आंनि चेनेल न सब्सक्राइब खादि हामबाय।